already coming up our stairs.
Come on, look how it's coming up our stairs. No, stay next to me because if the lightning struck. Don't touch this metal part.
Oh. Well, then you hold the umbrella. I'm just staying next to you.
Did it really push the tractor?
Yes.
No, the tractor was right there.
And look how it's coming up our stairs.
Dang.
Look, the little kids are running. Look at this.
Get inside right now. Come on, hurry up. We're going to get in trouble.
Come on, Mom. Come here real quick.
If this thing takes you, we'll get in trouble.
It's not going to take me. Why would I fall in, stupid?
Look, let's see what it does to the car. It doesn't do nothing. That's enough.
Let's go outside and go through the back.
I want to record the front. One more real quick in the front. Hurry up.
And you telling me to go inside? Why you?
I don't want to get my butt all wet. And then the tipping it over. Don't even try to step in there.
I'm not here. Come hold my hand. I'm going to throw that key in the water.
Don't touch it. Get inside. Look, it's pulling the umbrella, the water.
The water.
I mean, you know the air, and then I can't hold it right.
I'm holding it.
Okay, let's go inside. Hurry up.
Come on.